Let's discuss grades and grading. Here is a test that I assigned, and only one person has taken the test. You can see here Zach hasn't taken it, fake student hasn't taken it, but fake teacher has. Fake teacher got 105 out of 150. The nice thing about these tests is it grades itself. So you can see here there's 10 questions. Questions in red, the student answered incorrectly. Questions in green, they got correct. Took this person 1 minute and 24 seconds to take the test. It tells you exactly when they turned it in. Total points over here. I could delete the grade if I wanted to change it. This question here is worth 15 points. Student answered A, but the answer was supposed to be B. So you can click through each of these and you can see what the question was, how the students fared, and then if you click back on the test name up here, it shows you only one person took it, but it gives you statistics, a visual statistic, not numbers, about how students did. Everyone missed this question. Everyone got this one down here right. Half missed this one, half got it right. There's some kind of a glitch here because only one person took it. I might have taken it with someone else too, then deleted it. But it's a nice formative assessment. This obviously isn't formative, it's summative, but you get the data part of it that you can use to gauge how you're doing. I know on the final that I gave, there was one question that everyone just missed, and I thought, wow, it's really horrible. I clicked on the question, and it turned out I had selected the wrong answer as the right answer, so they didn't actually miss it. I just messed up the key. Another part about grades here, if I click up on grades up here at the top, and I select IV training, I can see all the different grades that we've had for IV training. There's been 2. The calculus final that I just showed you, which you can click on that, tells you when it was created, what the average percent was. If I click view, it takes me back to it. Edmodo Homework number 1, same details if I click on it. If I click on this person here, fake teacher, turned it in, but there's no grade because I haven't graded it. If I click on it, I can assign a grade right now. Probably don't want to do that. Probably want to check out the work by saying see work. And then it shows me all the students and which ones have turned it in and which ones haven't. The default total I had set earlier was 25. So when you make an assignment, it's 0. You type in the number 25 and hit set, and then it sets it at 25. So if I go to Zach, for example, didn't turn it in. Fake student didn't turn it in. Fake teacher did. If I click on annotate, brings up the file. This is what the person turned in, and I can add things to this. For example, I can put a pointed comment in that says, this is dumb. That's something I like to put on all of my students' papers. Some of them get a little bit arrogant, whether it's dumb or not. I like to tell them it's dumb. I can draw something on this. This is horse manure. That's interesting. I want to add text to that. I can make a little text box. I'm not sure if it spell checks you. Yeah, it does. It spell checks you as well. If you're half moron like I am, you need that spell check. We can highlight things. You can select the different colors you want to highlight. Oh, bear right. It's important to note when you're driving here, there's going to be a bear on your right when you get to Cedar Lane. Make sure I don't hit that bear. You can strike out things, left click and hold and drag it across. Didn't like that. You can make a note. So there are annotations. As soon as you do this, a student automatically can see this. If they click on this assignment, they will see everything that you did. You don't have to resend it to them or anything like that. If I just exit out, it's automatically saved. Fake teacher comes in, he checks it out, he sees what's wrong. This person got an 8 arbitrarily. I hit grade, it's got an 8 out of 25. If I go back here to grades and I select IV training, Fake teacher, got a 65% right now. Got 105 out of 150 on the exam and 8 out of 25 on the homework. So that is grades in a nutshell.